Hey guys! So this is a little bit of a different video. We have my husband here. This is Jeff, in case you have never, had the pleasure of meeting him randomly in one of my videos. We're a little bored in quarantine, right?
I'm actually going nuts. With no sports.
He's going nuts.
Nothing
no sports.
to do. Pacing back and forth.
Pacing. We're gonna bleach his hair because why not?
Why not?
Why not? And he's
hasn't been since 1993. So we'll see.
We're gonna bring it back.
Might fall all the way out.
Bring it back to the olden days. Might fall out. No, it won't fall out, but it'll probably not be the most glamorous looking situation. But that's what we're going for here. We're going for quenching boredom, right? I would say. Yeah. And worst comes to worst, either way, we're gonna shave it off in a few days. So.
And hair grows back. So
yeah, no
might
big
as well.
deal.
And I don't have to see anybody for. We never know.
Yeah, who knows? But also, he has a lot of regrowth. He was due for a haircut before quarantine started, so this is going on 2 months now. He usually has it like nice and short, and but we got a lot to work with here. So we're excited. If you want to see me bleach my husband's hair, then you're in the right place. And all you need to do now is sit back, hang tight, and keep on watching. And we're back. Okay, so I already cleaned up his neckline, which I'll, so kindly pop in footage from my phone for you guys to see the before and after. Talk about regrowth.
Wow. Beastly.
Very, very beastly, as Anchorman would say.
As you can see, I haven't really shaved much in quarantine.
Yeah, why? Why should you? We might take this down later after we bleach, we'll see. We'll play it by ear, we're not committed to anything. But I'm going to be using my Pulp Riot stuff today. I am a licensed cosmetologist. I went to Paul Mitchell years ago, but you do at your own risk. This isn't meant to be a tutorial. This is meant to, like we said, appease some boredom, kind of entertain you guys, hopefully. I don't know. Entertain us, that's for sure. I don't know how this is going to look.
The last time I did this, I think we just dumped bleach on, so it's got to be better than last time.
A little more professional.
Yeah.
Okay, so
here we go.
Let's start in the back. So actually I'm going to turn you. It's easy for you because all you're going to do is just shave it off even if you don't like it. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Getting excited, even though you're not going to see any difference right now or anything. I'm just excited. Jeez, your sideburns are out of control. This is how you measure quarantine right there. That's 2 inches of sideburns. Oh, that's a look. Yeah. Oh gosh. Oh, what is that baby thing that has just the curly Q in the front? And this is a look too. Look slick, slickster. You're like a Matrix character now, and it feels like we're having a glitch in Matrix, so it's very appropriate. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna let this process, and of course we're gonna fancy him up.
Thank you.
He wants his bonnet. It's lightning already, you guys. All right, bonnet time.
Oh, this is the look too.
So we're gonna process for about 20 minutes. It's actually going pretty fast now. We'll keep checking it, and then we're gonna do some toner, and then you guys will see all that. We'll see you in a sec. About 30 minutes now, and we are looking really, really good. Look at that. Oh yeah. Looking good. So we're gonna shower off and do some toner on processing, and we're gonna rinse it out right now. All right, we got the big reveal for you guys. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Hey.
All right, so this is how it turned out. How do you feel?
I feel good.
You feel like you're channeling anything in particular?
Some sort of boy band. 90s villain.
But we're not mad at it, honestly.
No, I think I'll keep it for a couple days.
A little bit longer than originally meant to. Well, okay, it's been a few days now, and how do you feel?
Hair today, gone tomorrow.
Ooh, we're gonna get ready to shave it, but I wanted to give you guys another look, alternate view. We even got it a little bit brighter using some Amika shampoo and conditioner, and then even some toning mousse.
A lot of purple going on.
Yeah, a lot of purple shampoo. He found out how high maintenance is being blonde.
Yeah. I'm ready for it to be gone.
Just from the sheer frustration. As soon as we'd wash it, start to turn yellow. So I'm like, put more shampoo on it. But you've had a good time.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Good first experience.
That was a fun. It kind of spiced things up for a couple days and gave us something to do. I don't know. All right. Well, thanks for stopping by, you guys. Thanks for watching our little video where I bleach my husband's hair. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give this video a little thumbs up and then go ahead and hit that little red subscribe button. That way you can see more. Bye. Okay, he's gone. He's out of here. That way you guys can see more, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
I just hacked my face. That's why.
My mouth's bleeding, Bert. My mouth's bleeding.
Ooh. No, I don't want to like even talk.
And we can dig it.
Hey,
so
who knew?
yeah, who knew?
Let's just all get bleached mohawks. I definitely look like some sort of villain from the 90s.
Like a James Bond villain or something?
Yeah, could be. Guy who thinks he's super smart. I can't see myself.
I don't want to get on your pajama pants either, so.
Pajama pants noted.
I don't want to get it on his pajama pants.
Tomorrow we're gonna shave our dog. Hopefully my barber doesn't see this.
I don't know.
Nice
Who
to
knows?
meet you guys. Does it look good now?
Yep.
Yeah?
You definitely can't, G.
Why? Does it look like a slickster?
Get them hairs.
Where are you going
get
with
them
that
hairs.
milk sideburns?